This is Adnan Sunny from Sunny Enterprises. In this video we'll show you electrically modulated directional control valve with internal hydraulic system, which is using electrically modulated directional control valve with internal feedback. And as you can see, this is pilot operated directional control valve. This is the pilot valve, underlapped control spool with hydraulic feedback. And this is the force motor, as you can see, with the underlapped control spool with hydraulic feedback. This is adapter plate with shuttle valve. There is an adapter plate with shuttle valve also. You can see this in this video. So this is underlapped control spool with hydraulic feedback, and this one is adapter subplate with shuttle valve. This is adapter subplate. This one is the force motor, which is also in some cases called the coil. And now this is the main spool of the valve, as you can see. And this is the tank port, A port, P port and B port, and this goes to the tank, and A goes to the cylinder, and the B port also goes to the cylinder. And but this is the pump flows oil, goes through the filter and goes into the pressure port. So pressure port is here, and you can see this is the electric motor, and this is the tank. And this one is called the flow sensor standard alternative. Throat. The colored flow situation is pump connected to P. The flow sensor is in a service line. The valve may be piped to change the flow sensor main spool relationship. Okay, now you have seen that this is underlapped control spool with hydraulic feedback. This is underlapped control spool with hydraulic feedback. This is adapter with shuttle valve. This is the force motor, and as you can see, adapter plate with pressure reducing valve. Adapter plate with pressure reducing valve is also here. And this is pilot operated directional valve. And this is the complete diagram of this schematic diagram of this hydraulic circuit. It shows different valves: pressure reducing valve, pressure reducing adapter valve, and it is also showing directional control valve and electrically modulated directional control valve. So all the parts are in this complete manifold. Electrically modulated, this is called electrically modulated four-way valve system with internal feedback. Again, electrically modulated four-way valve system with internal feedback. Now as you have seen different colors, I will explain you the colors as explained on this. Now this pink color is control flow rate at a system pressure P0. Lighter pink, now the control flow rate at load sensing pressure. Lighter pink is control flow rate at load sensitive pressure. Now the lighter is pink, proportional return flow, full bore cylinder area at load sensitive pressure P2 plus flow sensor pressure flow drop, equal feedback pressure PT. Proportional lighter excuse me, proportional return flow at load sensitive pressure P2, less flow sensor drop, equal feedback pressure. Further, this purple color, internal pilot flow at reduced constant pressure. Feedback control meter in pilot flow at directional spool balance pressure. Feedback control meter out pilot flow at directional spool balance pressure. Decompressed return flow to reservoir and decompressed pilot return flow and external drain. Different colors represent different pressures of the hydraulic valve in this electrically modulated four-way hydraulic system with internal feedback. So the hydraulic lovers, now you have one more thing to understand and to know the application of this electrically modulated directional control valve system, and you need to know each function of each part of this circuitry and thoroughly dissect this system into parts and try to understand the construction and operation of each part very thoroughly of this electrically modulated four-way valve system with internal feedback by Vickers USA. Thank you for watching. My WhatsApp number is 00923124225 and my email is adnan_sunny@yahoo.com and sunny@gmail.com. Thank you very much. For hydraulic lovers, hydraulic is as beautiful as these flowers are. Thank you for watching.